Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from FoodGravy. In this video, we have the Vapur Flexible. This is like a collapsible water bottle. They also come with this detachable carabiner. At the back, they have mentioned some features. I'll read them for a brief overview. This is the 1 liter 34 ounce model. Okay. The anti bottle. Okay. Stands, folds, freezes. Designed to perform. This one is called Super Cap. It is durable, taste free and odor resistant, dishwasher safe, BPA free, folds, freezes, light, attaches. Okay, we will remove the product from this packaging now. This will definitely come handy while traveling. This is the 34 ounce model, which is almost 1 liter. I got this from Amazon. I'll share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. This is the night blue color with the orange and dark blue color combination. They also have other sizes and colors like grey, black, red, etc. This is made of polyethylene and nylon, BPA free material. This portable bottle is foldable, lightweight. This is the super cap. It is secure enough to hold the water properly. It is somewhat tight, but it is secure. We can also remove this cap for a decent wide mouth. We can drink it like this as well. We can use this detachable carabiner to wrap the bottle and make it short. I'll show you how. You just have to do it like this. Do it like this and then that's all. We can even keep it in our pocket. It won't be an issue. So this is the small size and the large size. We have water inside this bottle now. This can even stand properly when it is full. I'm not able to get a proper view. I'll move my phone a little bit back. You can see it now. Okay. And it got a good seal as well. It doesn't leak or spill easily, which is a really good thing, especially when we are traveling. No leakage. This is also safe to keep inside the freezer. Vapur says they are designed to freeze, so that comes handy. This is a reusable water bottle. Instead of using random plastic bottles like this, which we should dispose after drinking them, we can give this one a try. And personally, I love the carabiner here. We can attach this to our backpack easily and take whenever we want to drink. It is always good to have a product like this. We may never know when this will come handy when we are traveling or trekking. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section regarding this Vapur flexible water bottle. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.